Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all having a great day. Before I go further, there is a giveaway happening on my channel, so don't miss out the chance. Today, we are diving into the world of Kaido House Mini GT, and we have here iconic Datsun 510 Pro Street. Before we get into it, let's talk about the history of Datsun 510, which was born in 1960, which was a compact sedan, which became the cult favorite among the racers and the collectors. Why? Because it was a lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, and it was a true driver's car. And it was also called as a Bluebird. So we have here the collaboration between the Sung Kong and the Kaido House. The Sung Kong, known as the role in the Fast and Furious franchise, who teamed up with the Kaido House to create something truly special, and they built together the Datsun 510, infusing it with the Kaido House signature style. It is one of the featured brand alongside with the Hot Wheels and Mini GT, Tomica and more. So here it goes. The beauty. So are you ready? There you go. It's a combination of both the colors, orange and black. Look at that. It has a custom bodywork, plate fenders, and has a license plate, has a soft rubber tires and detail interior, and with the opening hood and can be seen the detailed engine, which gives it a complete look. It's a premium version of the die-cast car, comes into 1:64 scale, ensuring the quality vibes. And also I have here Hot Wheel RLC Datsun 510. Let's talk about this. It comes with the Spectra Flame bright yellow finish, and it has a light smoke tinted glass. Interior color is black with red roll bar. And it has an opening hood, comes with the Real Rider 5-spoke wheels with red stripes tampo on it. Was released on June 23, 2021 for the price of $24.98. But right now it is selling for $100 to $360. It used to come with the individual number and 15,000 square made. And these are the basic Hot Wheels car which are available at Amazon or eBay. So what's so special about the Kaido House? As the Kaido House is a brand which is especially for those who appreciate the Japanese auto culture, but the Hot Wheel, which has a rich history known from decades, as it is widely available, makes them accessible to the collectors of all the ages, as it ranges from the classic cars to fantasy design. So if you are looking for more information about this Kaido House, I'll be posting a link in the description. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy collecting!